You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type of dance or dance from French originally, and therefore it's a type of related music. It's from French and it's pronounced gigue. Yes, the G is soft and it's pronounced je, as it is in French. The second G is hard because there's a U. The U is not pronounced, it's just there to say that the G is hard. So gigue, gigue, alright? You could spell it Z-H-I-G, zig, gigue, sorry, gigue. Anyhow, French pronunciation, gigue in English, gigue, how to pronounce gigue, English pronunciation, gigue, French pronunciation, gigue, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.